we have a bag. We also have an Ipsy Extra box or bag, depending upon how you want to call it. Let's see what we've got. First up is an item from LYS Beauty. It's in the shade LN6, so that's what it would look like. Unfortunately, as soon as I took it out of the box, and you can even see it on the outside of the box, the product is leaking. Ugh. I gotta give them props though. They responded to my direct message on Instagram. They responded within an hour or even less to say that they will replace the product because it has leaked and made a mess, which is why I'm keeping it in here. I think the shade is good for my skin tone. This is their Bright Start Creamy Buildable Coverage Airbrush Concealer. And it has a suggested retail of $24. The other item they picked for Anne is from Purlisse. It is a Flash Facial. I was really surprised to see Purlisse. I have not seen this brand floating around in boxes for a while, so I was excited to see this. I've used the brand before, not the specific item. I've used the brand before and was very pleased. So this has a retail of $38. Skincare ain't cheap. And it's an AHA and PHA Flash Facial Exfoliating Mask. So along with the AHA and the PHA, it also has a kiwi enzyme to help exfoliate the skin. And it's supposed to brighten an even skin tone. High performance mask, fruit enzymes, gently exfoliates, brightens, and smooths for a more even complexion. Free from sulfates, parabens, mineral oil, phthalates, I don't know if we said that right, GMOs, and propylene glycol. So I guess it only has good stuff in it. Yay. And it has, in addition to the AHA and the PHA and the kiwi enzyme, it also has lychee and goji berry. And you're supposed to put a smooth layer over your skin, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, and remove with a damp washcloth or lukewarm water. That will probably eventually show up in one of our face mask battles that we do over here. So that's a reason to subscribe to us. Did we mention that we have a link to Ipsy if you're interested in trying their box? It'll be in the description box here, down there, in the description box. That's what they picked for Anne, and then she got to pick the other 3 items. I picked a Dry Bar Dry Shampoo in the scent Coconut Colada. I have this in their detangling spray and leave-in conditioner, and I like it. So I'm willing to give this a try, and we'll see how well it does up against her other Ride or Die dry shampoo from Chlorane. Yeah, I'm game to give this a try, and this is 3.8 ounces and has a retail suggested of $30. This is from Olivia Uma. We hope we said that right. It is a set of lip balm. Yeah, there wasn't oodles of selection, at least for me. And that could be the way that I have my profile set. I may have it locked down, avoiding a lot of other products. So it might be them, but it could also be me. Anyway, I digress. This is the Candy Glow Lip Balm Duo. One of them is a ceramide. No, one of them is not a ceramide. One of them is guava and one of them is mint. And then I think there is ceramide in them. Yes, there is ceramide in them, in addition to the one being the guava and the one being the mint. And reading a little bit more here, it says that they are both dewy and for hydration. The guava is buildable with a pink tint, and the mint gives a refreshing kiss of mint. This is a palette from Alamar. We haven't seen Alamar floating around in a while either. Yeah, I was surprised. This is their Princesa del Caribe. I think I said that right, maybe. That is what she looks like. Oh, those shimmer shades. Oh my goodness. And I get to do swatches. This is gonna be a fun summertime, springtime. Heck, I'll use it year round. This looks like a fun one. It has a retail value. I wrote it down here somewhere. Where'd it go? $28. Is that pricey? I don't know. Maybe yes, maybe no. Value is in the eye of the beholder, or something like that. The camel will now do swatches. Nice job in the swatching department, Miss Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I like swatches, especially with sparkly eyeshadows. Did you see anything in here that you liked? Something that you have? Did you pick any of these? Let us know, let us know. And taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, because that's what she likes to do. We do have a code. Did we mention that? It's actually really not a code. I think it's a link. It's supposed to save you a few cents, maybe a couple dollars, if you would like to try Ipsy. This had a total retail of $150. It's a $32 a month box, plus $2 for shipping and handling, and there's taxes. So we're all in at around $34. We have an annual subscription, so that brought our price down a little bit from the $32 starting range. But you have to pay it all up front, so you have to shop responsibly and shop with what your budget allows. You get 5 full-size items. They pick 2. You get to pick 3. You fill out a profile. There are questions floating around as to whether or not they really follow it anymore. I was tickled pretty much with what was available to me for choices. The lip balm was in a category of either I had the product or just didn't want it. You know, you can't get 100% every time. I was pleased with this box. Thanks for watching today. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. You know the routine, all that fun stuff. Because we got fun stuff over here. Share with your friends, share with your neighbors, share, share, share. We're trying to beef up our subscriber count as well as our count of people that actually want to watch. And we do hope to see you again in a future video. Thanks for watching today.